Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time here at Stratford Elementary School in Stratford, California. And home of the Cougars, obviously on the banner. I'm outside right now on the playground. And I got to speak to the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders this year, all about positive life choices. And part of their acronym, the O for ownership, is really an ownership of our choices. That we choose to be the best version of ourselves, be our best self. That was the sub-theme for today's focus. And no matter what we go through or are gonna go through, that we always choose to give our greatest effort, right? No matter what, no matter how difficult it gets. So I have this shirt on for these talks to keep your head up, upside down on purpose. It's a reminder to always think positive no matter what, that we can always not only choose peace in our life, but we can choose, peace with ourselves and really start to believe in ourselves and our ability and our worth and our value, and then go help someone else believe in theirs or lift them up even higher than ourselves. That's the sign of a true leader. So we have to understand our worth. It starts with knowing the letters on our hand. We have all the letter M. We talk about this in every presentation I give with the lines on each of our palms. We have the letter M. M stands for miracle, upside down. W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, and really deserve love. And that once we understand that and buy into that, that we can do anything. That we start focusing more on the positive things in our life, not just the negative things. That we know that we are good enough, that we are great enough, that we can make a huge difference in this world, and that we can really do anything, right? So if we can kind of flip that script and start to keep our head up, know that we can make it through anything, through tough times, know that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting or giving up, that all that we're responsible for is our effort. As long as we give that, can look ourselves in the mirror at the end of the day, say that we gave it our all, that's really all that matters. So keep believing in yourselves. I believe in all of you, and you guys always touch my heart. It was an honor to be back. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Make sure to hit the notification bell too to get future updates on videos like these. And check out my website, mrpeace.org, along with this other playlist here for some other amazing clips on my journey across this country as we continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Much love. Peace.